Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Lee. I am the Chief Product Designer here at Felix, and I'm really excited to show everyone a new fixture we have. This is the new Felix Q5 Color LED Fresnel. This is a 185 watt Fresnel, which is roughly a 650 tungsten equivalent or something like a tweenie. And what we're really excited about was that we were able to use our single source LED technology to create a hard light that's fully LED based. So by just turning on this fixture, we'll see that here we are at 55 degrees flood, I can cast a really hard shadow on the wall. This shadow is very well defined, there's only a single shadow, and there's no color fringing. Also, by just closing down the barn doors, I can actually create a really nice slash on the wall as well. And because this is a zooming Fresnel, by just turning this knob on the side, I can spot it down from my 55 degrees full flood down to about 12 degrees. And you'll see that as I flood and spot this in and out, my spot stays really smooth, uniform, and circular. We're currently in CCD mode, and in this mode we can access the intensity, CCT range from 2000 up to 10K, and then also a plus minus green magenta. But because this is a full color fixture, by just jumping back to the menu and selecting a mode that gives us color, for instance HSI, RGBW, or combinations of CCT and HSI, I can get access to the full color space. So if I jump into HSI mode, what you can see here is that now I can get access to all the colors. And what's really cool is that as I cut it down, you'll see that as I change different colors, my shadow stays the same. It's still well defined, it's sharp, and also a single color. Going back to the menu, in addition to the color and CCT modes and combinations of those, we also have XY coordinates, gel, and things like effects. That gives us access to effects like cop car, color chase, club light, candlelight, and other effects. And all of these different modes are offered in both 8-bit and 16-bit. As with all Felix fixtures, we like to make things very compact, simple, and rugged. And this fixture is no different. It uses a lot of metals on the inside to give it strength. Then we have these rubber feet, which also act as impact-resistant bumpers. Things like the knob and screens are protected by these handles in the back, so if it does drop on its back, it'll hit the handles instead of the knobs. All of our Felix fixtures are IP rated. This one is IP24, which means that it can handle weather and rain. Another feature I want to show you is our V-mount power supply solution. So the power supply here, which is a 48 volt, is actually held on just by a traditional V-mount. There's just a V on the back of this. But what's special is that on the female side of it, we added this extra safety button where you have to actually hold this one and then release here, just so that these things would be a little bit more safe in trusses and rigs. And because it's a standard V-mount, I can take any battery between 24 to 48 volts, in this case it's a 26 volt, and without any adapters, mount it into that V-mount receptacle, plug in the 3-pin XLR, and now I would be able to get about an hour and a half at 100% working intensity. And what's really nice is this whole setup here weighs probably about 9 pounds. I hope you enjoyed watching this short presentation. If you have any additional questions, please visit us at felix.com. Thank you.